once again, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from, it's another one that comes out of a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. We've got Kuze Fuku and Sons. This is from Sapporo Ichiban. Kuze Fuku is like a fancy grocery store in Japan, and this is their Shio. Hi, how you doing? Excellent. It's okay, it was just a flashcard, sweetie. They fell down. They fell down. But it's hot in here, so out. We'll do more in a minute. We are knee-deep in readying for... What's the big news, Mimi? Not yellow. What's the big news? What's gonna happen? Hello, Miles. Mimi, what's gonna happen tomorrow? Come in here, Mimi. Ah, yes. Somebody's birthday. It's Mama's birthday, and she's going to have all sorts of crazy hijinks befall her, like there's no tomorrow. Well, let's do our quote of the day from Mama Fukuendo Speaks. Number 253, when I see a finished dish, I can pretty much tell how it was made. Okay, dude. Okay, that's fine. He's tooting his horn. When I see something that's been cooked, I'm pretty sure I could tell how they cooked it. Okay. Well, if you say so. Plenty of stuff I could never even come close to knowing what the heck was going on when they prepared it. But, oh. But anyways, what's going on with me? Did like 12 miles Saturday morning and then felt like crap. Allergies. Freaking all yesterday I felt, me and my wife both felt just like dog tired, just smacked in the face. I know you're thinking, are you sure it wasn't COVID? Oh yeah. The pollen level right now, I thought 10 was the top because it said like high. And today it says 10.8, and I woke up and it just felt like yeah. I found though that if I drink a lot of caffeine and wash my face like 3 times a day, maybe more, it gets rid of some of that pollen. But it loves to like hang out and around my eyes and go up my nose. Hi, Mile. Yesterday we had sore throats and it was just like but yesterday was community day on Pokemon Go, and I literally spent from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. catching Snivies. So if you don't know about Pokemon, don't start. If you are a Pokemon person, it was pretty cool. I got a hundo, and it was 3x catch Stardust, so I invested in a whole bunch of star pieces, and I just like kept catching and catching and catching and catching and catching. I got that hundo pretty far up. I was kind of like, okay. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't get into that game. It's like smoking. Don't. I'm never gonna recommend people. Hey, you know, if you don't start, if you don't smoke, and you're bored, why not start smoking? No, don't do that. It'll get you around the short and curlies. Speaking of, I'm dealing with something right now that's really no wait. Let me that sounded bad going in. Well, right now I got they're gonna stop shipping vape juice. I I think the U.S. Postal Service has stopped handling it, and UPS and FedEx are going to stop handling it. And there's this place where I could get it bulk, like by the liter. I ordered 2 liters. They sent 1, and then they went silent. And I opened a dispute with my credit card, or my debit card rather. They've been like, we'll call you. Nothing. It's like, dude, just send me the product. Noodle is very nice. I want another bite of that. Oh yeah. The noodle in this one is just like really good. Here's the broth. Ooh, that's good. Really like this one. That's a nice Shio cup. That is a really nice Shio cup. So I've been thinking, I haven't done a top 10 Japan list this year, and I don't know that I even did one last year. I don't know that I'm gonna. Here's the problem with top 10 Japan lists. The amount of time that products are available in Japan, like this cup here that I just did, this might only be on the market for like 4 months. And then they'll just get rid of it and make something else cool. I'm serious. They don't last long. Which is kind of a bummer, you know? It'd be nice if they did, but... I came up with an idea. What if I did a top 10 list that was like annual to the day every year? So I do a top 10 Japan list, and literally it's the top 10 out of the last 365 days. God, that's gonna be tricky though, because I get Umai crates, I get Zenpop boxes, I'm going to be getting stuff from 5 a.m. Ramen, which I'm really thrilled about. And, yeah. See, for me, I like doing Japanese reviews, but honestly, I don't want to base everything that I do on Japanese reviews, and I know that wouldn't happen, but it's tricky. There's just so many that come out, you know? Like, I like to review stuff that's really out of the way. I mean, granted, there's a lot of harder to find Japanese varieties. Ooh. Here we go. Wish me luck. I just made this egg this morning. I just don't have the touch my wife does. That looks pretty good, but that's not as good as I. She just makes eggs sing. But I out of 5 eggs that I boiled, the first one popped in the pot. The rest of them boiled, and I used exactly the instructions she gave me, and they all came out. Some baked chicken. Some sesame seed. Narutomaki, and a touch of shichimi, I think, and I think we're gonna call that good. But yeah, the yolk is very runny, but it's just doesn't have that look that the ones that she does have. Then it's got like this little angry spot here. I don't want that. There we go. We'll just remove that imperfection or make it less visible. So let's have some fun rotating jubilance, shall we? Ooh, we're gonna have to go pretty soon. Camouflage. All right, so yeah, we got one more to do. And it's gonna be this. This is a Myojo Chukan Zanmai Tenmen Sura something Akasaka Sura Tenmen, I believe. Sounds good to me. I'm looking forward to this. All right, the last one, and the last one of the Zenpop box. In like 1 week, I've gone through 7 varieties that came in that box, and they've all been pretty darn good, so. Hi, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. See you tomorrow. Bye.